discuss about the quadratic equations problem sums based on age. Okay. See, in quadratic equation, one thing you should be note that there is a single variable in x, y or z. Okay. You are not supposed to take two variables, and the equation will be a secondary equation which will give you two values. One of the value will be admissible, which you have to accept. Other value will be inadmissible. Okay. That you have to think about while reading the question properly. Now let us discuss one question based on age. Suppose we have a question. 5 years ago, a woman's age, okay, was square of her son's age. Okay, 10 years hence, okay, her age will be twice the age of her son. Twice the age of her son. Okay. So first of all, the equation has to be framed in second degree. After that, you can solve the equation. Okay. Now we have a table for representing the ages, okay, of the two persons. The two persons are, here we have the woman and here the son. Similarly, it could be father and son, father and daughter, like that. Now here in the left hand, you have to write, suppose this is the present age, okay. This is ago, suppose 5 years ago, 10 years ago, like that. And this is the hence, that means 5 years from hence, 10 years from hence, like that. Now in this you are going to frame the terms and then you have to frame an equation, right? As per the question, 5 years ago, a woman's age was square the son's age. So here we have come to this particular row, 5 years ago, okay? Let the son's age be x, okay? So this is what we are assuming. Let us say. So as per the question, 5 years ago, the woman was square of the son's age. So we can take it as x square. This is the age of the woman 5 years ago, which was square of the son's age, right? Now let us come to the present age, because this will come only when you add the age to the present age. So this was 5 years ago. What about the present age? We are going to add x square plus 5 and x plus 5, because the present age of the person will be plus 5 in this, plus 5 in this. This was 5 years ago. Now in the hence, 10 years hence, okay, 10 years hence, the age of the person will be counted from present. 10 years hence means after 10 years, the present age of the woman is x square plus 5. So after 10 years it will be plus 10. The same in case of son, it is present age x plus 5. So after 10 years it will be plus 10. Okay. Now come to the equation. What does the equation says? The equation says that after 10 years, the age of the woman will be twice the age of her son. That means as per question, okay, the woman is twice the son's age, okay. So please frame this equation, it's very important. We are going as per the statement. The woman's age, her age will be twice the age of her son. Woman is twice the age of the son. Now put the terms. When did it happen? 10 years hence. So these are the two equations or the terms to be linked. So x square plus 5x plus 10, this is the age of woman. This is equals to twice the son's age. that is x plus 5 plus 10. So this is the condition for framing the quadratic equation. Now the equation comes x square plus 5x plus 10. Okay, this is 5. Okay, this is x square plus 5 plus 10. So this is the woman's age after 10 years. This is equals to 2 times x plus 5 plus 10. Okay, so this comes to x square plus 15 equals to 2 times x plus 15. Okay, so we have the equation x square plus 15 minus 2x minus 30 equals to 0. That brings x square minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. Now this is the secondary equation which you need to solve. Okay, so the factors are x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equals 0. Okay, on taking x common, we have x minus 5 plus 3 x minus 5 equals to 0. So that brings the factors, that is the value will be x equals to 5 and minus 3. This is not possible because the age can't be negative, so we are taking x equals to 5. But this is the age of the sun, which is 5 years ago, right? So the present age of the sun will be x plus 5. So if you want any of the term, 5 years ago, 10 years hence, or present age, you can get this by putting the x value over here. So the present age of sun, this is x plus 5, so that is 5 plus 5, that is 10 years. Okay, and present age of women, this is x square plus 5, that comes to 5 square plus 5, that is 30 years. Okay, if you want you can check the answer. Okay, now 10 years hence the age of the woman becomes 40, and 10 years hence the age of the man, the son, becomes 20 years. So as per the question, the age of the woman will be twice the age of the son, that is 40 equals to 2 times 20. So this is how you can verify the questions, right? So the formation of this table saves your time. You don't have to write sentences, framing the equations and then equating them. Okay, so I think this is the simplest way, and this is, I think you should follow, okay, before equating the equation and getting a quadratic equation. Okay, now let's take one more question. We have one more question. The age of a man is twice the square of his son. Okay, 8 years hence, the age of the man is 4 more than 3 times, okay, the age of the sun. Okay, find their present ages. Okay, again we have to make a table. We are taking here the two persons as father and son. Okay, now this is the present age, because the very first sentence relates the present age. the age of a man is means present tense. The age of a man is twice the square of his son's age. So let the son's age be x. This is what we are assuming. Let us say, okay. Then the father's age is twice the square of his son's age. Twice means 2 times the square of son's age. This is the relation. Now the second part says 8 years hence. After 8 years means 8 years hence. Okay. What does the statement say? 8 years hence, the age of the man, this person, is 4 more than 3 times the age of the son. Okay. Now after 8 years, the son's age will be x plus 8 first of all. Okay. This is because we are adding 8 years to the present age. As well, the father's age will be 2x square plus 8. Okay. So at that time, after 8 years, what is the relation between the father and son? The father is, now this is very important, okay? The father is, that is a man is 4 more than 3 times the age of the son. The father is 4 more than 3 times the son's age. If you don't frame this simple sentence, you might not get a correct equation, okay? Now put the values. After 8 years, the father's age was 2x square plus 8. This is equals to 4 more than 3 times what was the son's age? X plus 8. Now this gives you quadratic equation. Okay. So this is 2x square plus 8 equals to 4 plus 3x plus 24. So we have the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 8 minus 28 equals to 0. That brings the equation 2x square minus 3x minus 20 equals to 0. Okay. Now we have the factors 2x square minus 8x plus 5x minus 20 equals to 0. Taking 2x common and 5 common, we have the factors x minus 4 and 2x plus 5. So that brings x equals to 4, because minus 5 by 2 is not admissible. So x equal to 4 is admissible. That means the son's present age. Son's present age, that is, we have taken x, that comes to 4 years, and father's present age, which is 2 times the square of son's age. So square of this is 16 into 2, 32. Okay. Now you can check the equation, and by putting the values of this in the second part, that is, after 8 years, the father's age will be present age 32 plus 8, that is 40. And after 8 years it will be 12. So if you take 3 times 12, 36, and then add 4, that comes to 40. So in this way you can check by putting the equation, the values of these two in this equation or this equation. Okay. I think this method is clear to you. Okay. So I am giving you a few questions for practice. Okay. You can refer to these questions. Here are the questions. The solutions have been given. You can try and check the results.